Mr. Musa just checked the viscosity and liquid density of our liquid sample in the quality laboratory. Now he will check its moisture content. As Mr. Musa observes them, I will take a moment to explain the devices we use for quality measurements. Our viscosity device measures viscosity. We do titration for acids and OH here. Our NCO device is available. We measure our NCO with this device. Mr. Musa will soon check the moisture. If everything is fine, we will move to the machine side. Our FDR device is available. We use it to check the incoming raw materials, which are the same batches. Using our FDR device, we examine all OH peaks and other peaks to validate the quality of our raw materials. We are about to watch the casting of the closed cell that passed the ASTM E84 test for America. The key parameters for us are time. If these are okay, we will go down to our quality laboratory and check the physical parameters of the liquid sample. After it cools a bit, we will check its free density.